The biggest development of this year in the field of technology is the launch of 5G network. It was in October that the 5G network was launched, and now it is available in 50 more cities. This development in the telecom sector is revolutionary. With this, people will witness change in cloud gaming. Also, the efficiency and monitoring methods of factories and enterprises will be transformed drastically. In the near future, one will get to see a positive impact of 5G in the sphere of healthcare, training, and teaching. Ever since people got to know that Elon Musk will be acquiring Twitter, people started turning to microblogging platforms such as Mastodon and Tumblr. Meanwhile, the news and opinion sharing platform App emerged as a better alternative where there are already more than 5 crore users. The biggest news of the year for India is that for first time ever, a private company launched its own rocket Vikram S. With the successful launch of the rocket from Sriharikota, launch of space flights by private companies has started in India. In the near future, ISRO will now be able to launch several satellites with the help of these rockets. This means now private rockets will fly in India too, like Elon Musk's company SpaceX. In the year 2022, ISRO launched the country's heaviest rocket, LVM-3, after 4 years. The launch took place from the Satish Dhawan Space Center located in Sriharikota. This launch was very crucial because earlier this rocket was launched in 2019 and 36 satellites were sent into space through the rocket. Now let us talk about one of the greatest missions, Mangalyaan. The Mangalyaan mission that was launched in 2014 came to an end this year. Originally sent for just 6 months, it did exemplary work for 8 years, 8 months. Now the mission came to an end due to the fuel and the battery had exhausted completely. It is for the first time in the history that the American Space Agency NASA succeeded in completing a planetary defense test DART mission. Now in future, if there would be a possibility of an asteroid attack on Earth, this technology will save the Earth from possible destruction. The biggest threat to the Earth in the future is from asteroids. Hence, in such a situation, this mission is a huge success in the field of science. The James Webb Space Telescope took new pictures of the universe in the year 2022. NASA released these pictures, which people were amazed to see. The James Webb Telescope has taken pictures of a group of galaxies including old, distant and faint galaxies. The galaxy formed after the Big Bang is also visible in this picture. Apart from this, James Webb Space Telescope has taken some more exquisite images. For years, scientists have been trying to unravel the mystery surrounding the universe. A lot of research has been done and much more is in progress. Meanwhile, the US space agency NASA released the first sound of the black hole, which is located almost 250 million years away. There are many types of gases in the Milky Way, and due to friction amongst them, they make a sound. The NASA scientists recorded the sound with the help of the gases that are present around it. In April 2022, Japanese astronomers discovered HD1, the most distant galaxy ever. They used a series of highly sophisticated telescopes from around the world. This galaxy is located 13.5 billion light years from us, and according to astronomers, it is formed only 30 million years after Big Bang theory. The astronomers are of the view that HD1 could be housing those stars which we have not seen as yet. In June this year, a baby mammoth was discovered in Yukon, Canada. According to the information, this mammoth child was 30,000 years old and it was from the era of Ice Age. The strange thing is that the body of this creature was frozen in permafrost, that is, it was buried under the surface of the earth whose temperature would have been less than 0 degrees Celsius for 2 years or more, and due to this, neither did it rot nor was it completely converted into a skeleton. Explorers are of the view that the discovery of the mammoth will prove pivotal in knowing more about the Ice Age. According to the US Ministry of Energy, American scientists at the National Ignition Facility of the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California successfully carried out a nuclear fusion reaction and developed what is popularly known as artificial sun. From this nuclear fusion, 30 lakh degrees Celsius more heat was produced, and this was 100 times more than the surface of the sun. India's pharma company Bharat Biotech in the month of September made a new type of vaccine called BBV154 to prevent coronavirus infection. One can treat coronavirus by putting a drop of the vaccine in the nose like a nasal spray. After 3 phases of successful human and clinical trials, it was approved by the Drug Controller General of India for emergency use and is now available in the form of booster dose for common people. The Weizmann Institute of Israel has prepared the world's first artificial embryo with the help of stem cells. The trial has happened on the rat, and after this trial, the embryo of the rat started developing and its brain and heart has also started developing. Researchers believe that due to the success of this experiment in the future, it will prove beneficial for transplantation in the human body.